No, 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 wrong door.
Oh, you can just leave it at the door.
Okay, because in the thing it says meet up. It's okay. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Yeah.
Right.
Thanks. 15 minutes na tayo Ano ba yan, Otek? Gutom ka na. Mali na.
Ah, my God. Gutom lang daw. Gutom. Hi, welcome back. Punta tayo sa isang Chinese restaurant. Kaka-off ko lang sa work. Kaka-drop off ko lang kay Bayaw. May nakuha akong order. So, tara. So, this morning, naka-tatlo na tayo. Meron na tayong 15 bucks. Nakauna na. Medyo sakto lang. Okay lang. Dagdagan natin ngayon. Kahit kunti. Kahit mga dagdagan natin kahit 20. Panggas lang. Well, tara, samahan nyo. Punta tayo kay Ming Eng Sing Chinese Express para kay Mary Ann. First time ko makapunta dito.
Pick up.
Let's go.
Hi, Uber pickup for Marian? Oh, you have two? All right. Thank you. Verify. Mali lang pala ito.
Pati Mary Ann, leave at door. House has Canada flag and silver Hyundai leaf. At door, do not knock, please. Alright, I got it. 8 minutes. 8 minutes tayo to Mary Ann. May add-on tayo. Booster juice, kunin natin. Accept.
Head in 600 meters, drop off on the right. Marianne C. says, leave at door. House has Canada flag and silver Hyundai. Leave at door. Do not knock, please.
Okay. Done. Delivered. Punta tayo sa next one.
Booster juice, let's go. Lapit na tayo.
Turn right.
Booster juice.
Hi. Oh. Is this the booster juice? No. No, wrong door.
It's right here. Mali, hindi ko nakita. Mr. Juice. Hi. Pick up for Kelly? Thank you. Ano ba itong pinasok ko? Taco Del Mar. Sorry naman. Okay, next order para kay Kelly. Apartment siya, meet at door. Okay, 4 minutes from here. Let's go.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't real.
Drop off.
Tawagan natin. Hindi sumasagot. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, Uber. I'm here.
Oh, you can just leave it at the door.
Okay, because in the thing it says meet up. It's
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks. Yeah. Bye. Done. Bilis ah. Nakadalawa agad tayo. Labas muna tayo dito. Hindi ko paano lumabas dito. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy. Okay. Yun. $10. KFC. Dalawa. Sige, kunin natin. For 7 kilometers.
Head to your pickup at
Parang
KFC
$5 each.
19971 64th Avenue. Avenue using the right lane.
Sakto, dito lang yung KFC, lapit lang. Sige, $10 for 7 kilometers. Maganda yung order. Eh, nandiyan lang sa harapan yung yung pick up natin.
Turn right on 64 Avenue, then turn right.
So ano to, isang restaurant, dalawang customer yung pagda-drop offan natin. So yeah, good order. Yun na yung KFC. Yun nga lang, parking medyo mukhang wala. Ito, may isa. Pick upin natin para kay Hamed at Brendan. Dalawa. Busy ah.
Hi there, hello.
Hi, Uber.
Sorry,
Brendan and
Hamid and
Brendan.
Brandon. Yeah, she's working on that one.
Sabi ng 4 na. 5 minutes na tayo nag-aantay. Hi, can you check my order please? I have 2.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Got it. Just 2 more minutes. Okay?
Alright, thanks. 10 to 15 minutes na tayong nag-aantay.
Okay, for Brandon.
Brandon.
Brandon. For Hamid.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Verify na natin. Amel and Brandon. Verify. Okay. Yun lang pala. Tagal natin nagantay doon. Okay, so sino yung una nating dadrapan? Si Brandon. Sino si Brandon? Ito si Brandon. Nasa malayo. Live door lang sa 11 minutes. Okay, good. Let's go. Minsan talaga may ganun eh. Kailangan mo magatay. Or pwede mo rin namang i-cancel. Pwede mo i-cancel pero magkakaroon ka ng cancellation rate. Lapit na tayo. Yan na tayo. Malapit na tayo.
In 600 meters, make a U-turn to stay on 200th Street using the left lane.
Dito na tayo.
Brandon L says, leave at door. Leave it at front door.
Oh. Saan ba yun? Magpas na yata tayo. Hindi. Mali. Ikot ulit tayo sa pa.
Turn right on 44 Avenue, then turn right on 200th Street.
Medyo alanganin yung bahay. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya isa pa. Ayun, ito. Ito pala. Okay. Kinapos lang tayo ng isa. 14. Done tayo kay Brendan. Next, 1 minute away para kay Hamed. Leave at door then. The number of the house is on the side. Deliver to the main floor, not to the basement. Okay. Ang dami mga instructions. Mapapa-English na naman tayo. Minute away. Let's go. Oop. Mali pa. U-turn.
In 300 meters, make a U-turn
Ah,
to
my
stay
God.
on
Gutom lang daw,
200th Street
gutom.
using the left lane.
Ikot tayo. Buti na wala masyadong sasakyan dito. Okay, we're back on track. Maybe final order, I don't know. Medyo gutom na ako. Nahihilo ko sa
600 meters, turn left on 46 Avenue.
Pero we'll see, maaga pa naman. Okay, malapit na tayo.
Just ahead, turn right on 46A Avenue, then drop off. Drop off.
Tiga itong corner.
Hamed M says, leave at door. Number of the houses on the side deliver to the main floor, not the basement, thanks.
Dan. Sumilip naman siya. Alright. Dan.
Tara, maaga pa, $35. Ayun, minukuha tayo. $5, 5 kilometers, Sushi Ami. Tara, last one siguro? Maybe. Tara,
Head to your pickup at Sushi Amy.
Sushi Amy. Okay, 3 minutes from here, malapit lang. Let's go. Moment.
Baby, so brave, so close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless.
Malapit na tayo sa pick up. Ayun, Sushi Ami sa harapan. Dito na tayo. Yan, naka-pick up na ako dito sa pagkakaalala ko, yung pick up nasa side. Pwede na tayo mag-park dito. Okay, dito na tayo. Tara, let's go!
Pick up natin para kay Lori. 9 items. Aba, madumi-dami pala to. Dapat dalhin ba natin yung bag? Dalhin natin yung bag. Marami-rami. Nine items eh. Sushi close. Is it close? Ay, hindi pa. Ay. Oh, side door? For the... Okay. Sabi ko na eh. Kasi sabi ko. Kala ko close. Ano ba yan, Otep? Gutom na gutom ka na. Mali-mali na. Hi, for Amy? Oh, for Lori?
Yeah, hi.
Alright, thank you. Ayun, may lalagyan. Oh, great. Yeah. Maybe I'll come back for the rest. Is this everything? And this? Okay, I'll come back for that one. Or maybe I can put.
Just like a liquid item.
Okay, I'll just come back for that. Just to be. Thank you. Dito na natin lagay. Sa likod. Para yung sabaw dito na din, no? Balik tayo. Isa pa. Oh, there's one more. Okay. So good. Thank you. Ang dami. Ito, may chance. Siguro may tip. Ang dami nito eh. Okay. Kasi sabaw to. So, ayusin natin. Tapos, may isa pa. Yep. Or hindi, dito na lang. Okay na yan. Steady na yan. Let's go.
Last order na natin to. 8 minutes away para kay Lori. Leave at door, leave at basement, carport. Tamo. Basement pa. Ang dami kong bubuhatin. Talaga yarn. Basement yarn. Tara. Ang dami kong bit-bit. Basement yarn.
in your eyes, I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes, between my eyes, between my I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes, between my between my
Malapit na tayo. Okay, 27 dito.
Lori C says, leave at door, leave at basement carport door please.
I think there's one more in the
there's
bag.
more?
Yeah. This is just the soup.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get the rest. These are the rest. It's na 9 items. All right. Thank you. Oops, there's a dog.
All right.
Thanks.
You so
Have
much.
a good night. Yeah. All right. Done. Sumisimple pa eh. Takot kaya ako sa aso. 2 beses na ako nakagat niyan nung bata pa ako.
Oh, hindi ko na take photo. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Done. Iya tayo. So, total natin for today, naka $40 tayo morning tsaka evening. Meron tayong 8 trips total. Talagang lumalabas sa parang $20 per hour yung ano ko sa Uber. So siguro yan na yun talaga. Sana hindi na po tayo mabawasan, lalo pa tayo madagdagan. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you.